Long ago, in the tranquil village of Vrindavan, lived a young boy named Krishna. With his playful antics and divine charm, Krishna was the heart and soul of the village. One fateful day, the villagers discovered that the serene waters of the Yamuna River had turned toxic. The water, once pure and life-giving, was now a source of dread and despair. Young Krishna stood by the river, his eyes filled with a deep resolve. He had learned that the cause of this calamity was a monstrous serpent named Kaliya Naag, who had made the river his home. The serpent's venom had poisoned the water, putting all life in danger. Krishna, sensing the gravity of the situation, decided to confront the beast. Armed with nothing but his flute and his unwavering courage, Krishna approached the riverbank. As he played a melodious tune on his flute, the villagers gathered, their hearts pounding with a mix of fear and hope. Suddenly, the calm waters began to churn violently. From the depths emerged Kaliya Naag, his multiple heads swaying menacingly, eyes burning with malice. The sight was enough to send shivers down anyone's spine, but Krishna remained undaunted. With a graceful leap, Krishna jumped onto the hissing serpent's hood. Kaliya Naag thrashed and coiled, trying to shake off the divine challenger. But Krishna danced effortlessly on the serpent's heads, each step emitting a dazzling light that seemed to drain the venom from the river. The battle between Krishna and Kaliya was fierce, echoing through the forest and beyond. Yet Krishna's divine essence began to overpower the creature. Exhausted and humbled, Kaliya Naag finally submitted. With folded hands, the serpent bowed before Krishna, acknowledging his divine might. Krishna, in his infinite mercy, spared Kaliya Naag but banished him from the river, instructing him to leave Vrindavan forever. As the serpent slithered away, the waters of the Yamuna gradually returned to their pristine state. The villagers erupted in joyous celebration, their hero Krishna having saved them from certain doom. The legend of Krishna and Kaliya Naag became a cherished tale of courage, compassion, and divine justice, passed down through generations. And so, the village of Vrindavan continued to thrive under the watchful and playful eyes of young Krishna, their protector and guiding light.